Boop. Hey, good morning, everybody. Jason here. Pretty boring day. Actually, just got a little bit more exciting. We're actually down a little bit of money. Um, but pretty much not doing anything today. Just gonna chill out, watch the market, watch Tesla bounce. Let's see here. I feel like Tesla's gonna just sit around, six. I think 660 might be the low, but the 680 to 700, I think it's going to bounce around there until it gets a breakout. That's my prediction. Um, just going to put that out there. So I think if you were to open up any put credit spreads, it would be while it's down. What is it? Yeah, 680s. Right around 680s. I think you're getting about the most premium you can get right now. So since we're not making any trades at all, and I don't think I will for the rest of the week, I think we're just going to wait and see what happens here. So instead of that, instead of making trades, I'm going to take a look at some comments here. Oh, held for review. And respond to some of these. So, yeah, account super flat today, better than going red, 100%. Chow is funny. LOL can turn $1 into 3 million in a week. The only way I know to do what Chow is asking for is to buy a winning lotto ticket. And if anybody knows how to buy a winning lotto ticket, let me know. If I figure out how to buy a winning lotto ticket, I'll just sell a course on how to buy a winning lotto ticket for 10 grand a pop, and I'll retire and I'll buy some myself and probably not do anything else, just travel. Amazing result. Yes, the results have been amazing overall. $500 into a couple 100,000. Nobody's gonna cry about that. Heap, I hope I'm saying your name right. Tried some put credit spreads, ended up in the ER, which really sucks. I wonder, those initial ones, I wonder where you ended up, which you ended up with. So hopefully those end up pretty decent. So sorry you ended up in the ER. That always sucks. But some 650s, 640s, I think those are probably going to be very beautiful. Expiring next week. Yeah, you're pretty good. And hoping Tesla stays above 650. I think it will. I don't think we'll see below 660 here in the near future unless overall market sentiment is like way down. What do the dividends affect with this? So on that video, I just own shares of Coca-Cola and AT&T, and those both provide dividends. And with the Coca-Cola, basically just for owning the shares, I get a certain amount of money I believe they pay once a quarter. So once a quarter, they pay me, and I don't remember what the amount was per share, but I think I got $86. And then on Robinhood, I just have it enabled. It's called DRIP, dividend reinvesting. So it basically takes that dividend money that I get paid and then just goes and buys shares with them. So it just adds to the shares. So the following quarter, I have a little bit more shares, maybe just one. So that gives me even more dividends, and it just compounds over time. It's a very slow strategy. Like, you're not going to see huge gains for it, which is why I don't have the majority of my money in it. The majority of my money is all in growth, and but it's pretty fun. I mean, I think it's pretty cool to get some free money just having money sit there, and much better than just having your money sitting in a savings account or checking account. And I mean, savings accounts gives you, I don't even know what it is, like 0.1% or 0.01. You have an account with $100,000 in it and you're receiving like $10. It's silly. And then as far as dividends and the relation to price action, there are some stocks that are bought right before the ex-dividend date, which is the date that you have to own the stock by. in order to, you have to buy it by X dividend, and then it's recorded on a certain date. Those are the dates that you're scheduled, or you're marked to get those dividends. So from that respect, the stock usually goes up right prior to that, as long as it's a high dividend payer like AT&T. And then right after, it should go down by that exact same amount. So AT&T, I believe, pays 51 cents per share. The stock, in theory, should go down exactly 51 cents, because that's the amount of money the company just gave away. So right after the date, when everything's scheduled, it should go down, if not on the payment date, because the company just wrote a check. How do you join the Discord? Links are in most videos. My VA does update all the descriptions and a lot of times the thumbnails. That's why you'll see a different thumbnail and different descriptions. I'm pretty busy to be able to do that, since I do have a full-time job, so she'll update that, but I did shoot you over the link, Alex. How long will it take you to turn 500 into $10 million? We'll see. Yeah, I guess we'll see, right? So I started with $500 and just keep following along. If the account reaches 10 million, I'll let you know, and then we'll have accurate data on that. But other than that, who knows? Man, I'm almost like tempted to invite you to like a Zoom meeting or something, Chow, just because I'm interested to see where your mindset is, because it's like the whole time you're kind of looking for a cheat code, and like if somebody knew how to do that, or if everybody knew how to turn that 500 into 10 million, like everybody would be doing it. And you also have to understand, like, every dollar that you make is taken from somebody else. Somebody is on the losing side of these trades, and that means somebody has to turn 10 million into 500, or collectively. It's a dividend week for T, though. I would have thought higher chance it will move. Yeah, which we did see it move, 100%. You are correct. Willflow did the same strategy this morning. Awesome strategy. How long will it take me to turn 5 into 10 million again? Ciao. Ciao, I love you, man. Let's shoot you over a heart. Oh, boom. Mr. Steven Banks. Might have to try that one day. Yeah, it's fun. I actually, even though like play AT&T is super safe, obviously not a lot of return on investment compared to our put credit spreads, but obviously not as much downside as all. Dividends are awesome. I love it. I'm just looking at all my various accounts and everything. I do have very little in the dividends. I do want to go over my main one that I kind of keep, so I get dividends like every day, every week. But like overall, the growth of that account is not huge. It's just kind of my cheap savings account again. This has been such a sideways week, though. Can I do a follow-up on this particular trade on Saturday? Absolutely. Yeah, we'll look at those. And we can see where they're sitting. I think they're up a little bit right now. Sundial doesn't reach $2 and doesn't dip below 75 cents. I was gonna write a response out to that one, but Sundial, I think it's like one of those scarier ones for me, and I don't know how much room there is on that stock as far as the option chain, to be able to do an iron butterfly on that. A little bit scary. I like on iron butterflies on T and Amazon. I love them. Love it on T. Amazon I haven't been following in a while, so that one I'm not, just because I don't follow it too much, and I don't know how wide I would make those. So something to look into. Does Robinhood have the same rule that WEBULL does, where if you want to trade spreads strategy, you have to have 2001 net value in your account? I just don't know. I don't believe so. I think you can trade a spread with any amount. Yeah, I'm actually pretty sure. I think people have said like they have $500 or something like that in the account, and they've been able to do it. Hey, I posted that play in your Discord. Well, I did a tighter spread and it expires Friday. Awesome. I wonder how that went. Hopefully you made money. So let's I guess before we go, let's check out, did the market move? It did, to the downside. So yeah, we'll rather take yesterday where we made, I think, $700 than down 17. That must mean Mr. Tesla has moved a little bit. Yep, moved a little bit to the downside. A little too real quick. Yeah, I think it'll slide back up by the end of today. So get SPY real quick too. Oh yeah, SPY coming down. So it's kind of just coming down with the S&P. Pretty cool. Yeah, other than that, hope you guys have a great day. Love you guys. Thanks for all the encouragement, all the thumbs up. Love you guys. Let's make a lot of money.